Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi to our lecturer Ms. Rabiha. My team and I will be presented about Takaful for senior citizen for our product development assignment. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Nurul Shazwani binti Sufyan Effendi and these are my members, which are Wardah binti Hasri, Nur Azima binti Zaifu, Fatin Shatira binti Zulkifli and Nurin Zukrina binti Rosli. So, these are the agendas for today's video. We move to the first agenda, which is introduction. Takaful is a type of Islamic insurance wherein members contribute money into a pool system to guarantee each other against loss or damage. Takaful branded insurance is based on Sharia or Islamic religious law, which explains how individuals are responsible to cooperate and protect one another. Takaful policies cover health, life and general insurance needs. Takaful Insurance Company were introduced as an alternative to those in the commercial insurance industry, which are believed to go against Islamic restrictions on riba, which is interest, al-maisir, gambling, and al-gharar, which is uncertainty principles, all of which are outlawed in Sharia. The development of Takaful industry in Malaysia in the early 1980s was inspired by the prevailing needs of the Muslim public for a Sharia-compliant alternative to conventional insurance, as well as to complement the operation of the Islamic Bank that was established in 1983. The Takaful Act was enacted in 1984 and the first Takaful operator was incorporated in Malaysia in November 1984.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I present the advantages, I want to introduce myself. My name is Fatin Shatira binti Zulkifli. Okay, now we move to the advantages of the product. There are 4 advantages of the product named Senior Citizens Takaful Plan. Okay, first, for economic benefits, since Takaful products now incorporate a savings and investment component, they have become more complicated and beneficial in giving early preparedness to policyholders to secure the future of senior citizens who do not have families. Second, Takaful is a popular instrument for saving in Malaysia because it is Sharia compliant and non-Muslims can also get involved, which further strengthens its appeal. Third, traditional insurance companies seek to boost profits by collecting premiums and earning interest on their own accounts. Takaful, on the other hand, seeks to achieve collaborations among participants. Last, if the policyholder pass away before age 70, the funds will be given to their families or donated to the needy person.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azima binti Zaifu and I will present about the flow of the senior citizen Takaful. There are 2 participants in this contract. For the first participant, which is the contributor or the customer, and the second participant is Takaful company. Contributor or the customer will make agreement with Takaful company to make a senior citizen Takaful. The agreement is about the monthly payment and other agreements such as amount claim and the care center that will be received by the participant. The agreement should be understood and agreed from both parties. The second flow is the fund from the contributor will be divided into 2. The first is for investment. The Takaful company will use the money to make investment because we are using the underlying contract of Mudarabah, which is profit and loss sharing. So the capital provider and Takaful company need to set profit ratio whether 50-50, 60-40 or others based on the consent of both parties. When the investment getting profit, the return on the investment will be divided following the agreement. The fund will be put into the participant account as the second place that the fund will be divided. Next, when the investment make profit, the return on investment also will be transferred to the participant account and other half of the return on investment will be given to the company. The company will cover the expenses along the Takaful is made using that profit. And if there are surplus from that profit, it will contribute to the Takaful company as their revenue. And for the last flow is made payment for the contributor. When the contributor reaching 70 years old, they can claim their Takaful. They can be in the premium care center for their entire life. The Takaful company will give the best care center for the contributor. If they are not in the good health, they will be treated by a nurse in the care center. However, if they died before 70 years old, their family will get claim and their crops handling will be handled by the Takaful company. Or the fund will be donated as the agreement if the contributor is given the instruction to the Takaful company like that. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurin Zukrina binti Rosli. So I will present about underlying contract. Okay, we use Mudarabah contract where a partnership contract whereby one party provide capital while another party manage the business. Okay, in a clear word, Mudarabah is a profit sharing contract. Okay, in Takaful, the capital provider, which is a Robulman, are known as the participant, while the fund manager, which is a Mudarib, are the Takaful operator. And they manage the operation of the Takaful company. Okay, in this contract, the Takaful operator will accept the contribution from the participant, and that contribution is deemed as a capital that will be managed and invested in a Sharia compliant manners. Okay, in this case, capital of the participant will be managed under the investment. And the contract specifies that any profit from managing the fund will be shared between the Takaful operators and participants based on the ratio agreed, such as 50-50 or 60-40, and must be specified in the agreement form. In Mudarabah contract, the Takaful operator can share in any operating surplus as a reward for managing underwriting on behalf of the participant. This provides an incentive for the operator to perform proper underwriting, to manage a claim carefully, and to limit unjustified. If there any financial loss, it will be borne solely by the capital provider, while the fund manager will bear the loss of effort and the labor. This is because a Takaful fund belongs to the participant and not to the Takaful operators.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. I'm Wardah Mitahasri. Continue with the next point, SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis of Takaful company includes the 4 key elements: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The strengths and weaknesses address the internal factors of the company, and opportunities and threats are the macro challenge that Takaful company is facing in Malaysia and other international markets that it operates. Start with the strength of the senior citizen Takaful plan product. Takaful product are not just confined to Muslim participants, thus they might be able to notice non-Muslims. Despite its origins in the Arabic world, Takaful is open to both Muslim and non-Muslims. There are no restrictions to benefiting from a Takaful plan even if you are not of the Muslim faith. It does not discriminate when it comes to religion, race, or background. Next, Takaful companies have a track record of success in customer-driven innovation. The innovative nature of Takaful industry manifests in its customer-centric, innovative solutions. Innovative in the context of Takaful means improvised management and innovative products. Products must fill the needs of society and serve the ummah. Unlike conventional insurance, in which risk is transferred from the insurer to the insurer, with Takaful insurance, the mutual risk is shared among the participants. Each participant makes a contribution to a Takaful fund, and in the event of a loss, they receive the amount of their claims. Then, solution for numerous issues will be developed using Takaful as a substitute for conventional insurance. For examples include the elimination of important ban aspects like gharar, riba, and maisir. We move to the weaknesses. The contribution received cannot be combined with insurance income since Takaful products must comply with Sharia. Separate accounts must be kept and the personnel should be informed of this need. After that, incapable of ensuring Takaful funds security. This makes them afraid to contribute because it involves protection in their old age. People believe that Takaful is unnecessary in old age and are content with what is available, such as the company's medical card. It also feels self-sufficient in terms of self-care. This is because they feel very young and have no need to contribute now. Moreover, people who have a lot of kids and a tight budget are less likely to want to contribute to a senior citizen Takaful plan. This is because they feel comfortable when they have many families to take care of them and don't waste money. For the opportunities, firstly, Takaful is expanding quickly and entering markets not only in Muslim majority nations but also in non-Muslim nations, and its opportunities for Takaful products to gain benefit and profit from investors. Secondly, in modern business, people just like to stay with the phone. This is a great opportunity if we are not only able to promote this product but can also advertise it anywhere in the application. Third, Takaful has strong brand recognition and the insurance industry has a positive perception of Takaful company's product. This means that Takaful can increase investor exposure and gain the trust of the public. The last one is comfortable shelter will be provided until the death can reassure and increase the number of customers and awareness of the importance of this product. We have arrived at the last point of the SWOT analysis, which is threats. The product Takaful threat is competitors are catching up with product development. It is up against tough competition from both domestic and foreign rivals. It could be that the rivals have more interesting product ideas than Takaful. Next, competitors in the insurance sector can readily copy Takaful company's product strategy, so the threat when another insurance company can easily imitate in a better way. Then, people lose confidence and comprehensive on the Takaful protection since the corporation offers a complicated Takaful agreement process and claim process. Most people don't like a lot of work and it's hard to get approved. Therefore, they can change their minds quickly and cause Takaful to lose many contributors. Next, commoditization of the product segment is the largest problem facing Takaful companies and other market participants. Financial products are becoming more generic. That's all from me. Thank you.
Last but not least, the summary of this product development is the growth of the Takaful business in the forthcoming years remaining promising. This is supported by the increase in public awareness on Takaful products coupled with more efficient and diversified distribution channels that will provide greater access to a larger segment of the population. The ethical structure of Takaful serves as an offshoot of the principles of fairness and the sharing of each other's burden. This will extend protection to the less fortunate members of the community. For this product, we use Mudharabah principle for the underlying contract in our mode of operation of Takaful, which the profit will be divided to the Takaful agencies and the participants. I think this is a good Takaful product to be developed in the future for our better life. That's all. Thank you.